If you're seriously considering an airless paint sprayer, then you're making a great choice. The best airless paint sprayer will allow you to complete painting tasks in half the time of a paintbrush or roller. There are many products available to choose airless paint sprayers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best airless paint sprayers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. Graco Magnum X5 is high-quality airless paint sprayers. It is slightly lighter at 19 pounds. It has most of the same key features, including fully adjustable pressure to give you ultimate control of paint flow for any project size. It has a stainless steel piston pump allowing you to spray paint unthinned at high pressure. Flexible suction tubes allow you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket. Annual use recommendation is up to 125 gallons per year. It's still a good idea to cover up those valuables with plastic sheets, but cleanup shouldn't be quite as extensive. Power flush adapter connects to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning. It can support up to 75 feet of paint hose, giving you extra reach for your projects. RACIV switch tip allows you to reverse the tip when clogged to keep you spraying. It should prove to be durable and last a long time. Number 2. Wagner Flexio 590 Paint Sprayer. The Wagner Flexio 590 is a handheld airless paint sprayer. It's a very portable option and weighs only 2.11 pounds with dimensions of 15.9 to 6.7 to 13.9 inches. Flexio 590 ideal for both indoor and outdoor tasks. This paint sprayer is great for applying a superior finish on furniture, walls, ceilings, exterior siding, fences, cabinets, trim, and more. A spray nozzle is ideal for spraying larger jobs, and detail finish nozzle is great for small projects and fine finishing. X-Boost turbine delivers the power to spray unthinned interior and exterior paints and stains. X-Boost power dial has 10 speed settings to easily adjust the flow of material and achieve precise control. Pattern adjustment can be horizontal or vertical and wide or narrow. This paint sprayer covers an 8 to 10 inches surface in 1 minute for stains and 5 minutes for latex paints, and can spray up to 8.0 gallons per hour. Plus, cleanup only takes 5 minutes. This good value product is best suited to those who are new to paint spraying since it's easy to use. Number 3. Graco Magnum X7 Airless Paint Sprayer. The Graco X7 perfect coats of paint to your indoor and outdoor projects, including fences, decks, and furniture. Graco X7 equipped with a pump which is capable of spraying up to a maximum pressure of 3,000 pounds per square inch, and can be adjusted according to your needs. Graco X7 is capable of spraying up to 0.31 gallons of paint per minute, and is able to spray 125 gallons per year. You can exceed those figures pretty quickly with your sprayer still going strong as new. It is equipped with a metal SG2 spray gun in combination with a 515 RAC spray tip, which makes it very easy to clean up when it's clogged by simply reversing it. It has an easy pressure adjustment dial. You can spray different kinds of paint with it and achieve the finish you desire. Graco X7 comes with a 25-foot paint hose. It can support up to 100 feet of hose, so you can reach higher areas and cover a wide surface while you paint without moving the sprayer itself. A mobile cart with tires makes it easy to transport. You can spray a wide variety of paints and stains, both thinned and unthinned, and latex paint. If you're a professional painter who plans to use the X7 regularly, you'll still get a decent run time from it with proper maintenance. Number 4. Titan Control Max Airless Paint Sprayer. The Titan Control Max Airless Paint Sprayer is designed for serious DIYers and handymen, making it easier to paint like a pro and apply coatings 3x faster than a roller. Perfect for painting big projects like home exteriors, fences, decks, garages, and more. This paint sprayer features HEA technology that decreases overspray by up to 55% while delivering softer spray, improving control, and providing a more consistent finish. It has a maximum operating pressure of 1,500 pounds per square inch, can spray up to 175 gallons per year, and utilizes a 25-foot hose. It can be extended up to 75 feet for longer reach. It has a 0.55 horsepower pump that can spray unthinned paints and stains up to 0.29 gallons per minute, ensuring great productivity. The Titan Control Max is a powerful and long-lasting paint sprayer, lasts up to 3x longer than competitive sprayers, and has a rebuildable fluid section to extend the life of the sprayer. It's backed by the industry's best and longest 2-year warranty. Number 5. Orlix 5500 Airless Paint Sprayer. The Orlix 5500 Airless Paint Sprayer designed for serious woodworking, light contractor and automotive enthusiasts. Ideal for use in the workshop, around the home or on the job site. The professional metal spray gun and 650-watt turbine provide a superior finish on small to medium-sized jobs such as doors, cabinets, spindles, decks, furniture, cars, and more. This HVLP paint spraying unit features a flow control dial and a fast push and click spray pattern changing system to change your pattern to round, horizontal, or vertical. You can use the many different oil-based and water-based materials including thinned latex, stains, lacquers, varnishes, sealers, oils, urethanes, shellacs, acrylics, and enamels. Sprayer features onboard storage for the Pro Spray gun, 13-fit hose and 5.5-fit cord. Includes a carry handle for easy portability as you move around your project. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.